Problem set 6, question number 6. Solving a system of equations. We've got a line and an absolute value function. Start by substituting, set them equal to each other. 6x minus 3 is equal to 3 times the absolute value of x plus 7 plus 3. We need to set up two equations, but before doing so, the absolute values have to be by themselves. So I'm going to subtract 3. And then divide both sides by 3. Once we have the absolute values by themselves, we can set up our two equations. Either x plus 7 is equal to this side, or x plus 7 is equal to the opposite of that side. Subtract x, add 2, add 2x, subtract 7. To get the y value, we're plugging this back in. You do need to plug into both equations, though. Absolute value functions sometimes have extraneous solutions. So if I plug in 9, this with that fraction there would probably be a calculator problem, so let's check it on the calculator. So if I'm going to check 9, I'm storing 9 as x, 9 store x, 9 stores right down here. Push enter. And then type in the top equation, 6x minus 3, and the bottom equation. 3 times the absolute value. To get the absolute value, we go to math, scroll over to number, and then it's number 1, absolute value of x plus 7 plus 3. So if I plug 9 into the top equation, I get 51. The bottom equation also gives me 51. My y value is 51. And then do the same thing with negative 5/3. Negative 5 divided by 3, let's store it as x. I want to plug that in right here. And I also want to plug that in right here. If I plug in negative 5/3 into my top equation, I get negative 13, but the bottom equation gives me 19. This is an extraneous solution. My only answer is 951.